For today's lesson, we're going to need to make some patterned paper for our project. Sometimes in the art room we get to make painted paper at stations, or I have colored construction paper to choose from. Since we're at home, we might not all have lots of different kinds of papers to choose from, so let's make our own patterned paper. I'm going to show you how. You just need some white paper. This is 9 by 12, or if you use the paper out of your printer, it's close to that size. If you have construction paper, you can use that as well. A light color is sometimes best. Here's how to do it. Make your pattern paper, select the piece you're going to use, and fold it into 4 sections. Fold it in half one way, line up the corners, make a crease, open it back up, and fold it the other way. So you have those nice 4 sections. Now you can make 4 pieces of pattern paper. You can use any materials that you have at home to make the pattern paper. Right now I'm using crayons. If you have white paper, you can color on top of the white paper to make a color first and then add patterns on top. You can use markers. You could use paint. If you want to use a light colored crayon and draw with invisible lines and then make a resist, you can do that. Any of these things will make great pattern paper. And again, if you have colored construction paper, you can use that too. So I have a bunch of different pattern papers that I made, folding my paper into 4 and making 4 different patterns on my paper. You only needed to have made 1 for your lesson. If you made more than 1, you have more choices, and then I can show you some extra things you can do with the extra paper if you had fun making pattern paper and made more than 1. Now that you've made some pattern paper, we're going to use it for a collage. I thought we would base the collage on a famous artist from the United States. His name is Robert Indiana. His most famous artwork is a small piece that he made with just the word love in it. He made it for a Christmas card for the Museum of Modern Art. It was on a postage stamp, and it's been made into sculptures, and you've probably seen it. What I thought we would do is that we would make some messages of love and kindness, and you can hang them on your door or window to show the neighborhood that you care and you're thinking about them. Some of the words that you might want to choose are things like love, hope, kind, wish, amor. So choose a word with 4 letters that will show your kindness message to the neighborhood. Here's how to do it. You have 2 choices to make your word collage. First, you can start with a blank sheet of paper, fold it in 4, just like you did for your pattern paper. Draw the letters lightly in pencil. Try to use up almost the entire rectangle for each letter. And cut them out to paste them on top of your pattern paper. You can fold your paper letters in half to cut out spaces in the center. Then use a glue stick to paste them on top. You can also use your pattern paper to make your letters. For pattern paper, I like to turn the paper over and draw the letters backwards on the back. For this project, I also cut out a heart in place of the letter O. So when you cut out your letters to make your collages, all you need to do is use a glue stick to glue them down onto the background. Whether you cut out your letters from the colored pattern paper and put it on a plain piece of paper, or whether you cut out letters from a plain piece of paper and put them onto the pattern paper background. Remember, when you're gluing your letters, to flip them so they're backwards. Glue on the backward side so it's glued down forwards when you put it on your collage. These would be great to hang in your window to show people in the neighborhood that you care. Younger students have made hearts, so maybe you combine things if you have siblings at home to make some nice artwork on a door or window to share with friends outside as they walk by. If you made more than one piece of pattern paper, I liked making a whole lot of them if you have extra. Something that you can do is you can just take one of your pieces and cut it down the center, and then you'd have two nice cards with pattern paper outsides, and they'll be blank inside, and you could write someone a little note, maybe for someone that you'll get to see soon, or maybe someone when you go back to school and you want to say hi and you miss them. So you could do something like that. Or from any of the pieces that were left over from cutting out letters. They still are nice, beautiful pieces of pattern paper. You can pick another piece of paper as a background and make your own collage. Make some pattern paper collages of food, butterflies, flowers, anything you want, any kind of picture, a face. So if you need some extra art time, save those pieces and make something beautiful with it. I hope you had fun making your messages of kindness. I'll see you soon. Thanks.